It is clear to see on this chart that you really have got a very critical level of support here on the copper market. It's around 6.15. Not only is it the 38.2% retracement of the move up since March, it's also a number of previous reaction lows and reaction highs, as you can see illustrated on this chart. It is a very critical level of support. So this low back in the middle of May came in at 614.75, and should we see a close below this critical pivot point, it will be quite damaging for the chart. Now, if we quickly switch around to the weekly chart, you can see how much momentum this move higher has been losing over the past couple of weeks. So you are turning lower at a fairly critical area, and you're losing momentum on the upside. So, should you see a close below on this daily chart, 614.75, it's going to leave it quite vulnerable. And the first downside target is going to be this 55-week moving average at 4.4763. So definitely a level to watch today, because this one is looking quite vulnerable at the moment. Thank you.